Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
Bishop A2.
E5.
Knight B3.
Bishop E7.
Castle's kingside.
Castle's kingside.
King H1.
Knight C6.
F3.
A5.
Knight D5.
A4.
Knight D2.
Knight captures on D5.
A captures on D5.
Knight B4.
Knight C store.
Bishop F5.
Knight A3.
Bishop D7.
C3.
Knight A6.
B store.
A captures on B3.
A captures on B3.
Knight C5.
What captures on A8.
Queen captures on A8.
B store.
Knight A4.
Queen B3.
B5.
F store.
E captures on F4.
What captures on F store.
Bishop G5.
What F3.
Rook E8.
What G3.
Bishop f4.
White f3.
Bishop h6.
Queen c2.
Queen c8.
Bishop d2.
Knight captures on c3.
Bishop d3.
Knight captures on d5.
Bishop captures on h7. Check.
King h8.
Knight captures on d5.
Queen captures on c2.
Bishop captures on c2.
Bishop captures on d2.
White captures on f7.
Rook e1 check.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.